Here are two of the best ways to filter out the done statuses in your Notion databases. What's up, guys? In this video, I'm going to show you the best way to filter out things that you have status as done or completed in your database. Currently, we're looking at a basic database that I have with just a few simple tasks. And let's go ahead and look at it in a Kanban board view. So I'll go ahead and add a view here and click on the plus sign and switch this over to board view. And I'll just go ahead and name it Kanban and click out. So far, so good. So right now we can see that we have 2 not started, 3 in progress, 2 done. And of course, we can move things back and forth in between them. I can move things over into done. But as you can see, things can quickly add up in the done column here. So imagine if you have a large database, this can add up pretty quickly. So what we can do is add a filter so things don't add up so quickly over here in our done column. So what I'll do here is go ahead and click on here to add a filter and go down to advanced filter. And right here, we'll go ahead and click here where the status is, or rather where the status is not completed. By the way, click on the link below to get my free guide showing you how you can set up a workspace from scratch in minutes. And click out. So now when I drag this over into the done column, nothing shows up here. I'll drag task 5 over here. So nothing will show up in your done column, even though it's still here in your table. Well, over in your Kanban board view, it still looks pretty clean. But imagine if you wanted to see what was recently status that's done. And in that case, I'll go back in here and remove this filter and delete the filter. And I'll move stuff back over. And we'll go back into our table. And what we need to do in that case is we need to add a property here. And we need to add the property of last edited time. So I'll go ahead and click that. And then we can go back in here and hide it because we don't necessarily need to see it. So I'll click on hide. And now I'll go back over into here, back into the board view again. And then we'll go back in here and turn back on our filter again. Back into advanced filter, back where the status is not done. And add a rule or where the last edited time is on or after, and let's say a week ago. So that means anything prior to a week ago, you will still see once we put it in the done column. So if I put anything over here now, it will still show up in the done column. Anything before a week ago, you won't see it. So that's 2 of the best ways of filtering out your done or complete statuses in your databases. Job done.